How to fix message not sending problem on Facebook Messenger. If you are unable to send messages on Facebook Messenger, then try these fixes. First of all you have to do is make sure you are connected to Wi-Fi or mobile data. Simply scroll down the control panel from the top right corner of your screen and try switching between Wi-Fi and mobile data if your Wi-Fi is not working properly. Also try restarting your router or modem if needed. After you do so, restart the Messenger app. As it, close Messenger completely and reopen it and try sending the message again. It might fix the temporary glitches on Messenger as well. Now, all you have to do is go back to the home screen and tap on the App Store there. Make sure to update the Messenger to the latest version. Inside App Store, in the search address bar, type down the Messenger and search for the Messenger app. Now, tap on the Messenger and if there is an update available, and install it. If the issue persists, you can also uninstall and reinstall the Messenger. So that is it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching.